Hey guys, my name is Nora and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on how I keep my hair moisturized on a day-to-day basis. This could be anywhere from every day to every 2 days, just depending on how my scalp feels. So let's go ahead and get started. So I will be using a spray bottle of water, nothing fancy in this one, it's just water. Moving on, I have the Adwoa Beauty Biomint Leave-In Conditioning Styler. I'm just showing you guys the new bottle because I will be using this shredded one. I'm getting the last bit of my product. Also, I'm going to be using the Love and Snow Organic Restorative Hair Serum, mainly for my scalp. And last but not least, I will be using the Shea Moisture High Porosity Moisture Seal Finishing Elixir. Oh, that's a mouthful. But anyway, moving on. So starting with my hair, I found that parting it works best. So I used to just do this all over my head with my hair out, and then I found that I was having to re-moisturize my hair a lot sooner. So when I started sectioning my hair off into 4 different sections and just working in each one, I found that my scalp stayed moisturized so much longer. So I was able to go maybe 2 to 3 days before I had to moisturize my hair. So once everything is sectioned off, I just pull the ribbon out for the section I will be working on. And first, I just like to spray mainly my scalp, and then I'll go down the length of the hair. But I just like to moisturize the scalp, wetting everything, getting that moisture in. So I just massage that into my scalp, and then I get the Love and Snow hair serum, pour about half a dropper into my hands, and then I focus that mainly on my scalp. This feels so good. It helps with itchy scalp. It definitely moisturizes, and it just feels amazing to give myself a little scalp massage, sealing in that moisture. Then I just run that a little bit through my hair as I move on to the next step, which is to grab a decent amount of the Adwoa leave-in conditioner, and I like to focus this mainly on my hair itself. So I'll put a little bit on my roots, but I'll drag this down my twist, mainly to get the top part of my hair moisturized. So my natural hair probably ends about to my shoulder when they're in the twist, so that's where I concentrate mostly with that leave-in, and then I just rake it down my hair. You gotta protect the ends, ladies. Like, you can't forget. A lot of us will just focus on the scalp and we'll totally forget about our hair in the twist, so be mindful of that. Last but not least, I'll just get the Shea Moisture finishing spray, and I'll run that down the entire length of the hair, mainly to lock in the moisture, but also to help with any frizz that may be coming on, plus just to let the whole hair smell pretty good. And then I just twist that up, and then I'm just going to put it back into its section so it's out of my way, and then I just move on to the rest of my hair. So I'm not really going to show all the sections because I legitly just do the same thing on all 4, but yeah, that is pretty much how I take care of my hair throughout the week. Again, it's just whenever I feel like my hair needs a nice touch up, if anything's itchy or dry, depending on how my hair looks. So this style was fairly redone, so I did not feel the need to have to go in and redo any of the twists, but if I feel like some are too frizzy, I'll actually go in and actually retwist the entire section. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!